This 7 News Update brought to you by Colonial.
Hello, David Johnston with the 7 Nightly News Update. It's all happening out at the Melbourne Exhibition Centre. With Victoria on show, the first exhibition is well underway. We'll cross live now to our special reporter on location.
Thank you, David. Yes, it's another big day at Victoria on show. People are flocking to the Channel 7 stand for a sneak preview of what's in store for 96. All the favourites are back. Home and Away, Fire, Gladiators. There are some big birthdays too. 40 years of television and 100 years of footy. Big news, of course, are the Olympics. New current affairs shows with Yarn Event and JAG.
Thank you. You've been a great reporter. And we hope you enjoy the rest of your day at Victoria on show. And don't forget to keep watching 7 Nightly News. So from the newsroom, it's back to you at the Expo.
Well, thanks. Well, that's all for the special Victoria on show report. This is Ryan Shields reporting, and good night.
7 Nightly News with David Johnston, weeknights at 6.